here we are, looking pink. You can never go wrong with nice lashes. That much I can tell you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola of Lagos, and if you're new here, you can kindly subscribe below so you can see all of my content. Today I'm looking crazy because I want to film, just like it says in the title, how I fix my lashes. It has been demanded quite a lot, especially from people on my Instagram. I fix a lot of lashes. I love lashes. Oh, I adore lashes. I feel like your look might not be so complete without, like, I mean, this looks good, but lashes just makes it pop. So I'm going to be filming today how I fix my lashes, and I hope you enjoy this video. Three simple things you need. You need your lashes, of course, you need your tweezers, and you need an adhesive. I use this is quite common and affordable. I'll probably link it down in the description box below because I don't know why that's not showing. So usually the first step is to size your lashes to your lids, because we all have different sizes of lids, and some people's lids are smaller. Mine are quite long, so I really don't size most times. But if your eyes are not as large as some of us, you might want to size your lashes to your lid. You see how mine is perfect, so you might want to size it to your lid. So the first step is to put the glue on the lashes. So usually I just hold it up with my tweezers. I just hold my lashes up with my tweezers. So yeah, so you just put your glue on here. Put your glue. Usually you put it on the outer side, so it's a lot more on the outer side than on the inside. Not too much, but on the outer side make sure it's quite adequate so that it can stick to your lid, so you don't have any problem sticking to your lid. Don't put too much on it, it's going to run down your face. And then you want to kind of blow it out. If you're using it on your face, you can blow it with air from your mouth. If you're using it for someone, you might just want to just fly around or put it in front of the fan. That works, just to make it a bit sticky. This is the part where you just I don't know if you can see. Just try to make it as close to your lids as possible, and make sure your tweezers are clean, because if your tweezers are not clean, it will stick to the lash, and when you want to lift your tweezers off the lash, it just kind of pulls the lash along with it. But if your tweezers are clean, you can just put it here. I don't know if looking up helps, but I usually just look straight at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Here right now I'm using my phone, so it's not, so you just, one of the tips that I could give that makes your lashes stick better or make it look better is to use an eyeliner. When you use an eyeliner, it's usually covers the space in between your lids and the lashes, so it doesn't make it look crazy. It doesn't make it look like your lashes are so far apart from your lids. That's how I learned. Before you can put your lashes very close to your lid, you might just want to put some liner in there. So what I'm doing now is I'm just using the tweezers to push it a bit downward before it gets too dry and I won't be able to push it anymore. And that's it. If you look very closely, you see there's still a bit of gap. And when you want to do that, you simply take your when you want to close up the gap, you simply take your tweezers and then you close it up. All I do is just take it, okay, let me use this, not the mirror. All I do is just take this very closer and closer and closer, just kind of close it up. It works. I mean, just trying to close that gap up, and there you go. As I fix my lashes, So let me fix the other eye now. More on the edge, then along the lash line, and then more on the other edge. That's just it. So apply it is not, you don't use too much of it, just enough to help you put the lash on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I keep forgetting to talk. So I look straight into the mirror. That's the way it works for me. I mean, when I do like this, I don't know, it seems like I'm looking straight at the lash, and I don't know what I'm doing, but I look straight in the mirror. And usually they say put one edge first. Yeah, so you might want to let one edge stick first before you go get the other. Okay, and there it is. If you're not comfortable with the phone, or you just look into the mirror and make sure you're getting it right, that is what I want to do with this one. If it's still sticky, maybe you think it's too much to one side and the other, you can just drag it out a bit. If it's totally stuck, you might want to leave it, but most times it's not stuck when you discover that, so just drag it out a bit. Then don't forget to put your to use your tweezers to clip in your lash towards your lid. So there it is. And that's it on how I fix my lashes. Here we are, looking pink. You see what I meant about how it makes your eye pop? You can never go wrong with nice lashes. That much I can tell you. Guess who's feeling themselves? Yeah, you guessed right, me. So guys, here is the finished look. I hope you liked it and enjoyed the video, but I hope you learned from it. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and comment what you think of it. Also subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be dropping videos like this twice in a week. I'm yet to pick the days, but I'll let you know when I do. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys again soon, pretty soon. Oh, I love you guys.